To create a board on Monday.com, start by logging into your account and clicking the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the Create a Board option. Choose a template that best fits your needs or start from scratch with a blank board. Monday.com offers a wide range of templates for various use cases such as project management, marketing, and sales. If you are unsure, you can browse the template gallery to find the one that suits your requirements. Once you have selected your template, give your board a name and add a description to help other users understand its purpose. You can also add a board owner and set the board type to either public or private, depending on who you want to share it with. Next, set up your board structure by adding columns and groups. Columns can be used to track different types of information such as dates, priorities, and statuses, while groups can be used to categorize and organize your items. To add a column, click the plus sign at the top of the board and select the column type you want to add. To add a group, click the plus sign at the bottom of the board and select the group name. You can also add items to your board by clicking the plus sign at the top right corner of each group. Each item can have its own set of details such as text, numbers, and dates, and can be assigned to a specific user or team. To make your board more interactive, you can add integrations with other apps and services such as Google Drive, Trello, and Slack. This allows you to automate workflows and streamline your processes. You can also use Monday.com's automation feature to create custom workflows and notifications. Finally, customize your board to fit your specific needs by changing the layout, adding custom views, and setting up notifications. You can also use the board settings to control who can edit and view the board, and to set up permissions for different users. By following these steps, you can create a board on Monday.com that is tailored to your specific needs and helps you to manage your work more efficiently. Remember to keep your board organized, up to date, and relevant to your team, and to use the various features and integrations that Monday.com has to offer to get the most out of your board.